So I hear that you're a leader. Hi, my name is Krzysztof Sadowski, and I want to tell you about Iron-Sharpened Leadership and Resiliency Training. Retired United States Army Major General John Gronski shares with us a rich array of concepts and stories that are invaluable to leaders. Iron sharpens iron will help you navigate change, overcome obstacles, and develop necessary skills to stand out and stand up for your team, organization, and community. But don't take my word for it. Do a little research about Mr. Gronski's laudable career, achievements, and ask yourself, how can I afford not to take this training? And yes, friends, if hands-on, personalized training is not for you, check out the General's book, Iron-Sharpened Leadership. You know, friends, we all have jobs, but yours as leaders are exceedingly important. Good day and good luck.